What's really good, your man here, MFrize. I'm back with another video. This is the 2005 versus the 2017 Altitude Green Jordan 13 comparison video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and do that. And first and foremost, I'd like to say Happy New Year to you guys. I haven't shot a video in 2018 yet, and this is the very first one, so I want to say Happy New Year to you guys, and thanks for all the support and love in the past couple of years. And I hope we trickle that down to 2018. Hopefully this year goes even better than before. That's always the goal. So let's dive into this video real quick. And first of all, this is the OG one versus the retro that came out last year. As you can see, this very pair has the 85 to 05. This was released. I actually picked these shoes up at this swap meet back in the day in 2005, and right when you open the box, it comes with that right here. And this has been something cool that we've always enjoyed. If you've been collecting Jordans for a very long time, or once you get any cool retros, it should come with one of these. From 13s, which tells you the number of the shoe, and this usually gets highlighted right here, but it doesn't necessarily mean that's the colorway that you're buying. Most of these shoes I have in my possession, except for, I believe, this right here. Anyways, that's not the focus of this video, so let's dive into this comparison and let's grab this shoe real quick and get this done. Got a few things I want to show you guys. So the boxes look very similar, and back out real quick. All right, so first and foremost, you have the OG colorway here, and then you have the retro. They look very similar. All right, so first and foremost, we have the new version right here, and as you can see, I never take the little sticker off the hologram, so it's still there. It's still intact. And the first thing I'd like to show y'all is the little stingray material that we have here on the OG colorway. So let me try to get this in frame so you guys can kind of see that. So in the midsection of the shoe, the cut here, as you can see, the cut right here is a little wider compared to the OG. It's not that wide. And the retro itself, the stingray is cut from this side a little bit towards the mid and getting close to the 4 foot, but it goes on this arch right here. This one doesn't go on the arch, so you have this right here versus that, but it is cut right here. So this material didn't use that much of that on the OG, but it was used on the new one. Another thing that's a little different from this retro is the back. This is more in a U. This looks a little bit more like a U slash a V. It's a little wider compared to this one right here, so that's another thing that you guys want to look out for. The stingray material on here is, this one is a little bit glossy. So if I move this a little bit back, you can see that, and it has nothing to do with the light. It has nothing to do with the light. So I just want to point that out real quick. It has nothing to do with the light. So again, this you can tell the difference. It looks very similar, but it's really not. Again, that is another difference on here. The color scheme look really almost the same. Now the stitching of the jumper on the tongue in the OG looks a little bit more shiny compared to this one right here, so you can kind of see that. And again, it has nothing to do with the light. I know it feels like the light is hitting the Jumpman so well that it looks like it makes it look more glossy, but it's not. So again, this crease, it's gonna happen on the shoes. It's not one of those suede shoes. If it was suede, it would be very nice, I feel, because you can hardly even tell when it creases. But this one, I've rocked, I'll say about 10 to 15 times, maybe 20 the most, I'll say. So again, the creases are gonna happen, and the similarities not that bad. The tongue, the bottom of the shoes. Another thing that is different on here besides the box is the style and color code. And again, this one is a size 12, and as you can see, the color code is 31004-031. And this new one, let's see, it's different. The stock and color code is 414-571-042. So that's a little bit different from the OG colorway. Again, if this is something that you're looking forward to, if you missed out on the OG colorway back in the day, this might be something cool for you to rock. You can't tell the difference if you have one on your feet, but since I've spotted the cool things between those two shoes, I can kind of tell which one is the OG and which one is really not. So again, check out your stores if you like the shoes. It might be a cool one to mess with. This also kind of looked very similar to the one that dropped in 2010, but the material on there, I believe in this section, was different. It wasn't the leather. They used a different, I believe, the cotton material. I didn't buy any of those, so I don't have a comparison between that to show you guys. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, thanks again for all the support and the love in 2017. Let's make it better again in 2018. I hope you guys have a great one. If you have any questions to comment, I'll put that in the section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe always. Peace. One love.